Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to write a press release using Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to write a press release, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just go to search and search for Claude AI. Open the first official website of Claude AI, and here you have to make sure that you are signed into your account. Now here you have to simply type I want to write a press release. So once you have entered there, just press enter and just wait for its response. So it will give you a this type question. You have to select a single option from here. So the very first, what's the press release about? So what thing you want to write or what about you want to write a press release. So you can select product or feature launch. You can also select any company news or any event announcement, anything else, or you can also write something your own. So I'm gonna select this one from here. Now you have to select your format. So let's say I'm gonna select a Word document, or you can also select a PDF if you want. Just write here PDF and press send. Now you have to wait for some moments. So you have to enter these informations about that release. Is the product or feature name, is the company name, launch date, any keywords, states or highlights, or any target audience. So if you don't know anything about that, you can search from Google, or you can also try to enable web search. If the product or feature you are talking about is a worldwide or an international feature, so you can enable this website from here and just enter the name of that product. So here I have only given the name. As you can see, I just know the product name, and I want to write a press release on it. So just click on this send or the submit option. So it will give you the exact thing you want. You just have to wait for some moment until it search from the web. So after a web search, it has collected all the information about this product, and now it is creating a release or press release PDF on my topic. You just have to wait for some moment until it creates. And it's done. It has successfully written a press release PDF on my topic. Here you can see here's the complete press release PDF. If you want to download, just click on this download option or this download option from here, and it will give you the download file. So it will open in my Chrome. So here you can see it's a complete press release in a PDF form. So in this way, you can easily write a press release on any topic using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.